As consumers, we're overwhelmed with the choices and locations on where to spend our hard-earned money. Brands, corporations, they have to work really hard to create an experience for their customer that separates them from their competition. At Cima, we collaborate with our customers to give a visual experience that engages, informs, directs, and emotionally connects their customers to their brand. Our work is everywhere. It's a part of your everyday experience. Whether you're taking your daughter for her first doll, or you're on your first date at the movie theater, or hitting balls with friends or colleagues, or simply picking up a prescription or having your car serviced, our signage and environmental branding has helped shape that experience.
One of the things I'm constantly impressed with by our team is our endless efforts to develop solutions for our customers. As our customers' needs continue to change, the diversity of our products and services have really expanded. It's been exciting to be a part of this evolution. When our clients present us with challenges, we generate ideas for materials and methods that add value to their business. Ultimately, we achieve these successes through teamwork.
A solid company culture is so important in building a successful business. Our company culture has been built around 3 important points: respect, integrity, and hard work. Since day one, we've surrounded ourselves with some of the brightest people in this industry. We know that a strong culture with a great team will continue to propel our company forward.
As a senior project manager here at Cima, we're responsible from start to finish to give the customer a great experience. We're all in when it comes to customer service. It's 100% what we do.
We like to make things with our hands. We like to be creative. We like to think. And this place allows us to do all of that. When it all comes together, it's a force.
It's got to be a passion, because if it's not, we wouldn't be doing it. And everybody that I know out there has been doing it for at least 15, 18 years. You don't do something that long just because it's a job.
We helped Campbell Soup Corporation direct its employees and visitors through their corporate headquarters with a graphics and wayfinding system.
We developed a wayfinding system that allowed their employees to easily navigate through multiple buildings on their campus, as well as narrate Campbell's brand story.
We helped the Philadelphia Phillies with a social media engagement on opening day by creating massive letters that sat at the entryway to the ballpark that allowed fans to take pictures, interact, and post on social media. We also helped the Phillies finish their season by honoring Ryan Howard, one of the greatest Phillies in history, by creating a plaque to help commemorate his record-breaking home run season.
I got to go to the game with my 2 boys, actually witness Mike Schmidt handing Ryan Howard the plaque that commemorated his home runs. Was just a true joy. For my boys to know that their dad had something to do with that was very special to me.
At Presidential City, we helped our client and their architect take their vision of a bold architectural statement and turn it into a buildable reality. We developed a 60-foot obelisk ACM structure and a 35-foot cantilevered monument sign that served as the entrance to this iconic property. Every day, this 63-foot structure is going to be the gateway for thousands of people entering the city of Philadelphia.
We're really excited about the investment we've made in digital signage, and we see it as a big part of our future.
Cima's core mission is really to engage, inform, direct, and emotionally connect with our clients through their signage. And digital really brings that to an entirely new level where a business can directly engage with their customers and get their customers interacting with their brand in a way that just can't be done with a static sign. It's not about fancy screens or nice technology. That's just the tip of the iceberg. You're really only limited by your creativity.
We work every day to figure out how we can provide more value to our customers and ultimately give them a great experience.